Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook New Year cake. This delightful dessert, often enjoyed during festive celebrations, symbolizes prosperity and good fortune. We'll explore its rich history and the essential components that make it so special. Get ready to learn a straightforward method to prepare this traditional delicacy, perfect for sharing with family and friends. It's a wonderful way to bring a touch of tradition to your celebrations. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, which forms the cake's chewy foundation. For sweetness, prepare 1 cup of brown sugar or rock sugar, dissolved in 1 cup of water or coconut milk. These liquids are crucial for achieving the perfect texture. For an extra touch, consider adding dried longan, red dates, or a sprinkle of sesame seeds to enhance the flavor and presentation of your homemade New Year cake. Now, let's prepare the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine the 2 cups of glutinous rice flour with the dissolved sugar and water or coconut milk mixture. Whisk thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Next, lightly grease a heat-proof dish or cake pan with a small amount of oil to prevent sticking. Carefully pour the batter into the prepared pan, ensuring it spreads evenly. This step is crucial for a beautifully cooked cake. Finally, it's time to cook your New Year cake. Place the pan in a steamer and steam over medium heat for about 1 hour or until the cake is firm to the touch. Once cooked, let it cool completely before slicing. This prevents it from sticking. Serve your delicious cake in small, bite-sized pieces. For an extra treat, you can pan-fry individual slices until they are golden brown and slightly crispy, offering a delightful contrast in texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.